Do you know how much energy your industry is wasting? My name is Eva Former and I come from the Swedish scale-up Dazoq, where we help industries become more energy efficient. We do that with Dazoq Energy Intelligence, our all-in-one system consisting of plug-and-play sensors that measure your energy consumption on the machine level, and our web-based platform, the heart of Dazoq, where we visualize that data in real time so that you can find your energy thieves. Common energy thieves our customers have found are leakages of, for example, compressors or machines in standby. But the even bigger savings are from concentrating your production time and using your energies more efficient. Or one of our customers has saved up to 240,000 kilowatt hours a year by adapting their ventilation to the industry's conditions. Do you understand how much that is in money, especially with today's energy prices? If you want to stop wasting, you need to start tracking, and Dazoq can help you with that.